If you want to understand how baking soda can benefit your skin, this is the video for you. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. We are a skincare company that creates small batched and healthy food for your skin. And we also have salons where our holistic master estheticians help you to have the most beautiful skin and healthiest skin regardless of your age naturally without needles, procedures, or pills. I am Lisa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I ask you to please like and subscribe. And if you're a peach or a current peach, thank you for your wonderful love and support. I am 58 and a half years old. I wear no foundation and concealer, not even in these videos. What you see is real skin depending on the light coming in from the window. I have been a holistic master esthetician for almost 40 years. And I am here to create change for men and women with ridiculous beauty standards that tell us that we are no longer beautiful if we have a wrinkle, if we age, if we have gray hair sparkle. And I hope that you can join me on this journey. You can also visit us at Facebook. We have a new private Facebook group. And it is a beautiful place. I didn't even think to do it, and it has been amazing. Like-minded women and men who really support each other and talk to each other about their journey with Peaches, and also on Instagram, TikTok, and obviously here on YouTube. I always like to say this, but I'm going to say it at the beginning of the video. If you want to be unkind, this is not the place for you. If you don't have a positive way of asking a question, this is not the place for you. But if you ask with love and kindness below, I will answer you. You can also personally email me at lisa@peachesskincare.com, and I will help you on the journey to beautiful, healthy skin and a Peaches routine. Today I'm going to talk about baking soda. I really have started talking about individual products because I want to be as detailed as I can, but I also want to keep these videos as short as I can. When I came up with the idea of baking soda, it was to mimic microdermabrasion done in our salons. Now, microdermabrasion has varying types of microdermabrasion. Because it can be so expensive to use crystals, many estheticians have decided or resorted to using what they call a diamond peel. I've heard it called an angel peel. I've heard all of these lovely names when in fact all it is a file. They take this file, they put it over your face, and as you can imagine, it causes superficial tears. We already have natural fungus and bacteria already on our skin, naturally. And when we leave an opening for it, we can have issues. And we see that when women or men come to us having done these procedures. You want crystals shot onto the skin, and hopefully John can put a video here to the side, and you want them suctioned up at the same time. They essentially roll over the skin, just perfectly sphere, and they pick up any dead skin cells. They help open up the skin so that we can clean it out. And in my opinion, it is one of the best ways to get rid of that thick callus layer that our skin develops over time. If you're new, we do most of our damage by our early 20s, and this is documented in the Journal of Medicine. And from that time on, your skin thickens to protect itself. So what I do is help you to remove that callus thick layer, allowing any bacteria and fungus to come out, allowing old tissue to come off, and new healthy tissue is behind it. So about 20 years ago, I started using baking soda, having clients use it at home. And when I came on YouTube about 4 years ago, I needed to find something for my women in Canada, my women in Ireland, my women in North Dakota that couldn't get to one of my salons. We have one in Cincinnati, Montgomery, Cincinnati, Santa Barbara, California, and Naples, Long Beach. So I started having clients use baking soda. Now, baking soda, just going to give you an example of what I use. I used to like the Trader Joe's one, but I'm loving this Bob's Red Mill. It's non-GMO. I love that. And so nothing's been changed. I haven't used any chemicals. It's very fine. And the way that I have you use it is take a little bit of water, and for 10 seconds, if you're a peach, you would do this after Flawless Exfoliator, Restore, and Classic Cleanser. Now, some people have said, well, Lisa, do you do it after polish or before? It's really a personal thing. I like to do it before. You mix it with water, you rub it around your skin in a circular motion for about 10 seconds and rinse. You should only be doing this 1 to maybe 2 times a week, if not every other week. This is not your exfoliator. Baking soda has no antioxidants. This is not food for your skin. And before someone inevitably tells me, but it changes the pH and Dr. So-and-so says you shouldn't use it, I want you to remember we use no pills or procedures, and those same people do. And your pH is changed the minute you step out of the shower that's hot. The minute you walk outside, depending on the temperature or what's going on in your environment. The minute you splash cold water on your face, or different things that you are doing throughout the day. So what I like using baking soda for is to mimic microdermabrasion at home, almost like a facial, but it's so important what you did before. So if you're a peach, you've done Flawless Exfoliator to loosen debris, clean your skin, and feed it with hibiscus, gotu kola, blueberries, pomegranate. You've then washed with Restore, that is going to kill any fungus and bacteria that could be activating on your skin and can mimic what is some of the most overly diagnosed skin diseases: rosacea, eczema, psoriasis. You're then going to wash with Classic Cleanser, which is gotu kola, sugarcane, grapefruit, amazing acids, alpha hydroxy, natural acids, and beta hydroxy to remove more debris, but feed your skin at a cellular level. And then you're doing baking soda. And after baking soda, you're doing perfecting polish to refine, again, milk or lactic acid. We have removed milk and put in a natural lactic acid, gotu kola, elements, sugar that really help refine the skin, the texture, the color. And then you're moving on to all of your other things like toners and serums serums are they are such an element to helping your skin heal and to helping the products or your moisturizer, your cleansers do their job better. So remember, it's only 1 to 2 times a week at most, and you can do it every other week. Baking soda can be incredible if you don't overuse it, if you're gentle with your skin. Remember, use it with water, and it can give you results that will shock you. Dark circles, darkness around the lips, and then following all of the other things I tell you to do, which I have so many videos, hundreds. All you have to do is hit the Peaches Skincare title and it will go to videos and shorts, and you can find anything that you're looking for. I hope I've encouraged you. I hope that I have helped you to understand that something so natural, not an acid peel, not a chemical peel that is pharmaceutically enhanced, can help your skin dramatically, regardless of where you live in the world. And I hope that I have helped all of you to uncover your true confidence.